With one of the latest Blocksy 2 updates, we have introduced an intuitive way to identify which content blocks are used on a page and easily jump into the editor to make modifications. This can help streamline your workflow, especially when multiple content blocks are in use, or if you've imported one of our starter sites that contain content blocks. Getting started couldn't be easier as there is nothing to activate or configure. On the front end of your website, you'll notice a new Content Blocks button in the WordPress admin bar. Hovering over it will display all currently embedded content blocks on the page. All types of content blocks are supported, standard hooks, pop-ups, and even templates. Of course, they're neatly categorized in the content block menu. In our example, we can see 2 standard hooks and 1 pop-up. Going deeper into the menu and using the Lookup button makes the interface automatically scroll to the identified content block on the page, highlighting it for you. However, please note that depending on the context, the Lookup button might not be available for certain content blocks. After we've identified the content block we want to modify, we can easily jump right into the editor to start making changes. The editor opens directly to the content block, making the whole process seamless. To demonstrate this further, let's navigate to a single post. In our demonstration, we've also implemented a custom singular template, which sure enough shows up in the content blocks menu. Before closing, we'd like to highlight one more feature. Blocksy's customizer lets you add content blocks as elements throughout your site. For example, inside postcards on archive pages. The identification system works with these as well. We navigate to a post archive page where we've added a content block element inside the postcards. And there it is. It appears in the content blocks menu, making it just as easy to locate and edit. That's it. A simple workflow that makes managing content blocks effortless. Identifying content blocks now as easy as point and click. And if you wish to learn more about what Blocksy 2 has to offer, continue on to our website or click on one of our other videos to keep watching.